dude? Is that like our Dutch door? You wanna lock it? Okay, you lock it. Lock this one. Push? Okay, slide it open. I'm just so excited about that little bathroom. I spent the day at a client's house, kind of again. You okay, dude? Yeah? So I do like school bus consulting, like on the side, kind of like tiny house consulting. Sometimes people will reach out to me like, hey, I've got a bunch of questions. How much do you charge to answer all these questions for me? Like 30 minutes of your time, an hour of your time. I've accumulated all this knowledge, and you can either do what I did and like spend hours and hours and hours watching YouTube videos, reading on the internet, looking up forums, or you can just call somebody up like me that's already spent that time and can answer the majority of those questions. I don't need to make a bunch of money, so I don't really charge a whole lot. So if you guys are interested in something like that, just leave a comment, email me. So I've got a client coming over in just a little bit, and this bus is a wreck, so I need to get it cleaned up so that I kind of look like I know what I'm talking about. So yeah, Milo's with me, and let's get this place cleaned up. Look, doesn't it look so much better in here? That's a whole bunch of stuff that I still need to install, like handles and knobs, dresser knobs, door knobs, Dutch door lock, latches for these thingies so that they don't open all the way. I don't know what these are. I don't know what those are. More hinges and stuff that I need to install. Isn't this just so exciting that this thing is like coming together? I mean, bathroom, pretty well finished. I need to grab the bottom footstep thingy a little bit more. Need to put stuff up here. Need to paint this. Need to paint this because this is a new addition, the skylight. So we have two little skylights. Makes a whole lot of difference in this bedroom. Kids box. It's just neat kind of like seeing this place clean because then you can like feel how big it is. Alright, so the talk with Matt went really well. I gave him he had a bunch of good questions. And it's just neat knowing that I can answer the majority of those. That way it saves him a bunch of time. He can start bringing up new questions and stuff and not spend so much time kind of like wondering and researching, but actually start this adventure and start doing the build. So it's fun being able to help people out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in something like that, shoot me an email, comment below. Like I said, I don't need to make a bunch of money, so I don't charge a bunch of money. And I really just do it to kind of like help you guys out. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we'd really, really appreciate it. And yeah, look at this place, man. Bit by bit, it's coming together. Thanks, guys. Milo, hey, dude. Hey. Are you thirsty? It's not time to take a shower yet. We haven't even moved in here yet. Okay, that's good.